Hello folks, just want to show you some of my hostas in full bloom right now. It's July 4th, 2013, and I'm just showing you some of my hostas. These are the blue Elegans. They get about, I say 3 hours, 4 hours of sunlight. These things are pretty big. I gotta start weeding them out. I'm not weeding them out, but parting them out here next spring. And hummingbirds love it. And you can see my railing right there, so you can see how big these guys are. And I should get quite a few plants out of them. Got a nice lavender color to them. Okay, thanks for looking.